Hello and welcome to this introductory video on GBMS sales orders. Sales orders are located under Front Office, Sales, and Sales Order. By using the Sales Order Inquiry filter, we can quickly locate an individual sales order or a group of orders based on filter components such as your customer's name or ID or a date range. If we would like to preview the sales orders, we can use the search button to display the orders that we filtered on. Then we can click on one of these orders to bring it up when the sales order screen is open. If we had previously created a GBMS quote for a customer and the customer approved it, that quote can be automatically converted to a sales order so we don't have to create the sales order. Here's an example of a sales order created from a quote. If we click on the related documents, we can see the quote that was approved by the customer and then converted to a sales order, so that you don't have to do the same work twice. We can click on this link to access the quote if we would like to review it. Here we see the header information for the quote, the shipping information, and the lines. If we want to create a new sales order, we simply click on the New button on the toolbar. Then we go down to the customer field and enter the first few characters of the customer's ID or customer's name. GBMS has a suggest lookup feature that will drill down to the customer you're looking for if you can't remember their full name or ID. Once our customer is selected, all the customer's saved information is automatically populated from the customer file. We can edit any of this pre-populated data if we would like to change any information displayed in this sales order header. We then add an optional customer PO number and review our shipping information, and then we click on the Save button to save our new sales order. Adding lines is easy, and there are multiple ways to do it. Just like with the customer's ID or name, we can enter either the first few characters of the item number or the item description to locate the item. If we don't know the exact item number description, GBMS will narrow down the search results as we enter more characters. After we enter or select our item, we move to the Order Quantity field to enter a quantity, and then hit the Tab key to automatically save this line and automatically create a new line. When we enter items, we can choose to sell the item by any unit of measure that has been defined for the item in the item master. This item has been defined to sell by either the bag or the pallet. Below the order quantity field, we also see exactly what is available in the fulfillment warehouse for this order. For this item, there are 30 bags available in the fulfilling warehouse. If we click on the magnifying glass next to the order quantity field, we have visibility of what we have available in all our warehouses. We have one warehouse named Demo with 4 locations with inventory available in each of those locations for this item. In addition to entering items using this order lines entry method, there is also a multi-lines option that allows us to see an image of the item and select multiple items at once. Let's use this method by clicking on the Show Multi-Lines link. Let's enter another item by using the flower category to display our items. Here we have all the flower items in our database displayed. We originally had added item number 1050, so let's now add in 1055 by clicking on it and then selecting a quantity to enter. After we select our items, we click on the Add Lines button to add our line to the sales order. GBMS can also import items directly from an Excel spreadsheet. Let's enter our next two items from a spreadsheet by clicking on the Import Order Lines link. First, we browse for our spreadsheet on our computer, locate it, and add it to our import utility. We then are going to validate those items that are on the spreadsheet to make sure that these are items in our database. After that validation is successful, we then can upload it by clicking on the Upload button. After our items have been uploaded, we close this window and our items are now added to our order lines. GBMS also supports full EDI processing of all sales order documents, so your customer's EDI orders can be seamlessly entered and fulfilled in GBMS. Additionally, if you are using GBMS's integrated e-commerce application, online orders are immediately available for review and fulfillment immediately after your customers submit them. After we have entered all our lines, we go to the Options tab and submit and approve our order. Now let's preview a print copy of our sales order. Once our order has been approved, we can go to the Related Document tabs to see all the documents related to the orders to this order that got created, including purchase orders, PICs, shipments, invoices, and customer returns. All related documents for an order are easily accessible from this one Related Documents location that is maintained for each sales order. Generally, there is a PIC ticket that will be automatically opened and made available in the warehouse to begin fulfillment processing. Here are the items that are available now to be picked in our warehouse. If some of the items were not available, then there would be a pick on hold that has the items that are not in inventory. When those items that are received in, GBMS will automatically allocate those items to a hold pick and open it when the items are available. Should we need to edit this order, we can go to the Options tab to find an edit option as well as other options, such as a returns options, to process customer returns, or a copy option to make an exact copy of this sales order, and a hold option to temporarily place a hold on this order. This concludes our introductory video on creating sales orders. Thanks for watching, and please watch our other videos that introduce more of the important features of GBMS, and then be sure to contact Geneva Systems to schedule a live demonstration of GBMS.